This is the Pocket Constitution of the United States. They're available on Amazon for 99 cents. I'll put the link in the description. When you place an order with Amazon, you want to add some of these in your cart for friends or family. Know your rights in this country. This is very good to keep handy, okay? And know your rights. It has the Declaration of Independence in the front and the amendments of the Constitution. We'll go over a couple here. First Amendment. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Meaning, you can practice any religion you want in this country. They don't have the right to tell you you can't have a certain religion. Freedom of speech from the press and the right of the people to peacefully assemble and to petition the government for grievances. Well, you can't say certain things in this country because your comments are deleted or they're all censored. So that they're infringing on that First Amendment right. You have the right to assemble a peaceful protest. You cannot burn dumpsters down or break store windows and stuff like that. And you also have you can sign a petition for grievances against the country. Second Amendment, a well-regulated military being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. They're infringing on your Second Amendment. They tell you what guns you can have, what certain parts you can have on your firearms. My state, you cannot get a carry permit to protect yourself outside your home unless you're a retired police officer, a security guard, or a jeweler that carries jewels or someone that carries a lot of money. They deny you. They put you through all of these hoops, and at the end they tell you you're denied. The Fourth Amendment. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures. The police cannot just come into your house and search your house for anything. You need a search warrant. They have to present a search warrant, and it's got to be signed by a judge. On the bottom, it'll say Judge such and such printed, and on the top, it'll have his signature. That gives them the right to search your house if they're looking for something or somebody. If they're called to your house for a fight in the home and they got to come in the house to break up the fight and you got drugs or something laying on your kitchen table in plain sight, then they can put charges against you because it's in plain sight. But they just can't just knock your door open and say, we got to come in your house because they're looking for somebody or searching the house for something. They need a search warrant. The Fifth Amendment. You do not have to answer any questions without a lawyer present because it would incriminate you. So if you're in the court and you don't want to answer a question because you figured it's going to incriminate you and make you guilty, then you can take the Fifth Amendment. So this is a pretty good little book that tells you all the amendments here. I don't want to read them all. There is one here about every person shall be created equal, and you can't judge because the one person is a different race than the other. It's in here somewhere. I don't know what amendment that is. But this is a good little book to get. I'll put the link down. You guys want to get it? Read it over. Know your rights. If you got a new family member or a friend and they're really not into all the legal laws you got, for $1, they can open this book up and they can maybe read something and say, well, I never thought of that before, and get educated. So it's a good little thing to have, the Constitution of the United States. This is the law of the land. This was written over 200 years ago. That's why you got the left wing, and some of these people want to take it away so they can control you. This is what gives you freedom in this country, is the Constitution. That's the law of the land here. The other law of the land is the Bible, which is God's laws. So there's 2 books that you can get. But as far as the country goes, the law of the land is the Constitution. And that's what it was written for, to protect the people of this country from tyrants. And that's all I see right now. It gets you annoyed the way you're brought up and everything, but everybody's coming to attack you. They want to take your rights away. This is not Germany, okay? We don't have no dictator that's going to tell you what you can do. You got him now, telling you can only have 10 people in your home for Thanksgiving dinner. Okay? Wear your mask 24 hours a day. They're putting all of this stuff in. They're programming everybody, okay, for the future. So this is the Constitution. Guys want to get it, I'll put the link down in the descriptions for it.